Hello students, this is your computer teacher here. Today I am going to teach you computer lesson number 1 revision of level 3. Here we are going to recall the topics which you have covered in the class 3. Let's begin. The first topic is stepwise thinking. So what it is? It's a process of completing one step and then jumping on to other one. As every activity has a sequence of steps that need to be followed. So here it is going to help us to solve the problem easily. Let's see the example that how you are going to do the tree plantation activity. The first step is you will plan for the planting of the saplings. For this, you will decide the location, then obtain the permission to plant the sapling, then calculate the number of saplings required. After this, you will list the types of saplings you are going to plant. Then after, you will inform the gardener about the number and the type of saplings to be planted. And for this, they are going to prepare the ground. And the next step will be then you are going to plant the saplings. So for this you will make the groups of the students, like two groups you are going to create, or the group of 2 students each you are going to create. Then after you will collect the tools which are required for planting, and after that you are going to plant the saplings. Now what's the next step? The next step is how you are going to take care of the plants. You will arrange the water for the plants, and you are going to water the plants regularly so that it will grow easily. This is how you are going to think, or you are going to move one by one stepwise. So you will accomplish this activity. Now move to the next topic, programming with Scratch. Now let's talk something like what is Scratch and why we are going to use it. So Scratch is an online software which helps in creating the designing animations, also creating the games, making the interactive stories and all. And for all these activities, we are going to require the different sprites in the backdrop. So what is a sprite? A sprite means the various objects through which you can make your animation, such as people, transportation, fruits, animals, costumes, and many more. By default in Scratch, a cat is your sprite. And now let's talk about the backdrop. What it is? Backdrop is background. Whatever the background you can choose at the time of making the animation is known as the backdrop. In Scratch, wait seconds instructions is going to use to coordinate between the sprites. If there is more than one sprite, then you will use this instruction to make the coordination between sprites. Now move to the next topic, that is healthy practices. The healthy practices which you are going to follow while doing the work on a computer. Do not work for more than half an hour at a time. When not using the mouse and the keyboard, then keep your hands relaxed. Also, you should not bend your wrist up, down, or to the sides because it may create the pain. Maintain a good posture to avoid sprains, edges in the body. And do some exercising. What type of exercise? Stretching exercises and asanas for your shoulders, hands, legs, and the back. And exercise regularly to keep yourself fit. These are some healthy practices which we should have to follow while working on a computer. Let's move to the next topic, that how we are going to minimize the strain of the eyes. As we are going to work on the computer system, so it may create some strain on our eyes. So how we are going to minimize it? See. First of all, you have to blink and look away from the monitor every once in a while. And take a break every 10 minutes by looking away from the screen and into the distance. Remember to clean your screen. If you wear the glasses, clean them regularly. If you cannot read the text on the screen comfortably, then you will increase the font size instead of going closer to the monitor. Do the eye exercises regularly to avoid the eye strain and maintain a good sight. For your good eyesight, you should have to do the eye exercises regularly, such as like palming, blinking. These are the exercises for your eyes which you should have to do regularly. So, here our chapter is completed. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you to all.